Alright everybody, putting on my Emgo exhaust that I got for my 1982 Honda Magna. The previous owner took off the original exhaust and lost it before I bought the bike. So as you can imagine, riding this thing is extremely loud. Here's the box it comes in. Right there's your part number, Emgo 802530. Got this on Amazon. I already put the one on the other side just to kind of give me an idea how this is going to work. They come packaged real nice. So these basically, they just slip on. This bolt and nut are 12 millimeter, and this nut here for your bracket is 13. I just want to loosen that up enough to move it around. You got a spacer, fits in there, and then this whole thing just slides on. And you just tighten your clamp down. Might have had the right size wrench. I needed the extension for the other side. And that's how you break your nut. I busted a nut. Let me see if I can find another one. Alright, so I decided to finish doing the rest of the install off camera. I figured I'd made enough fool of myself. So here it is with it on. It's still a little loose. I've got that clamp down as tight as it'll go. So I might have to put some other kind of spacer or something in there. Still a little loose. I'll probably get some exhaust leak. But there it is. Show you on the other side. I do have a problem with my center stand wanting to hit the bottom of this side. The muffler on this side. As far as these brackets, I'm probably going to end up putting a spacer in here, drill a hole, and then mount it there. This one tightened up really good. Well, maybe I spoke too soon. Yeah, I might have to look at getting maybe a different size spacer, or I might have to do something with that. She's dirty, she's a mess. I had it covered up. I think my sister's cat got in here when it was raining. So definitely gonna have to wash it. Well, let's fire it up, see what it sounds like. Tell you what, she's cold, and it's going to take a little while to get her started, so I'm going to go ahead and I'll just come back to the video after I get her running. Alright guys, so here she is running. That's a whole lot better, a whole lot quieter. Might actually be able to hear myself think while riding now. I'll give you a few revs. So yeah, that's a whole lot better. I still got a lot of carb work I need to do on this thing, so that's why she bogs down when I give her gas. Oh yeah, that's a whole lot better. You guys really, unless you ran one of these bikes with no exhaust, you have no idea how much quieter this is. I'm very excited. Alright guys, so that's it. The mufflers are on. I'm happy. These mufflers were about $40 a piece on Amazon. And so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. No earplugs. I've never ridden this bike without earplugs. I've always had to because it's so loud. So again, there you have it, folks. New exhaust, Emgo. Very happy with that.